perceptions to death. Those were the first words from his lips. And as his smile unwound, we kept our secrets. We kept our secrets. No, 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 you wouldn't know the man that I've become. If I had not made some changes and had not been less numb, had not been less numb. No, 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 no. The backwoods of discourse, and once this while I rest